Welcome to the Hotnitza waterfalls. Today we are at the waterfalls here in Bulgaria at the Hotnitza waterfalls, which is an amazing place. It's very beautiful here. Check that out. So let me show you guys what we have over there. As you can see, it's very busy here. Many people are visiting this wonderful place. But look at that view. Are. So this morning we first went to a church service, and our daughter went with us, but she didn't feel like going anywhere. But we wanted to visit the Hotnitza waterfalls, so yeah, this wonderful place, it's so beautiful. So here you can have barbecue and all kinds of lovely things to eat. Now we're gonna have something to eat. They have lovely fries and burgers and all the stuff. So we have a burger with kofte on it. They call it kofte. We have this nice sausage with salad and fries and a Diet Coke to share. And we paid
32 left.
32 left. That means like 16 euros or something. Bulgaria.